day 15 minus electricity, no electricity. You can hear the generator running, and it's actually not the typical time of the day I run a generator. I got a couple of things I want to do because, so I fired it up this morning. It's 9:30 in the morning. I rewired the place. Actually, I did. Eliminated a bunch of wires, like all that stuff right there. And I put this UPC that I actually had in the studios in the back of that nightstand right there. This is our patio, enclosed patio. My wife calls it the angel room. She decorates with angels. It's a beautiful thing. So I want to check all that. I want to check that UPC, kind of get it charged a little bit, and put a Furman Power conditioner back there in that room through there. This is where we sleep at night. So I had to check all that, make sure it all works. I haven't checked the air conditioner yet, but so I'm gonna let it run, generator run for an hour, and then I'm gonna shut it down. It'll be business as usual running tonight. So day 15, no electricity in Houma, Louisiana. I think it's the longest in my entire life I've ever gone without electricity. I really don't think I'm going longer than that. World doesn't end, and I suspect we're gonna get some electricity, as soon as possible. So I'm good. We're good. 15 without electricity. Just want to show the damp red is working. Stephen Cassidy, thank you. Juno, thank you guys. That's starting to absorb some water. It's wicking away moisture. This one does too. It's kind of hard to see. Better get over here. There's some moisture in there. Same with this one. Water. Why am I missing 2 rack screws? Who knows? I have lots of rack screws, but there's one. So, I'm guessing I've got, it can't be any, it can't be going outputs to inputs because they don't fit. So, I'll figure that out when electricity comes on. So day 15 without electricity, but I feel confident that we're going to get it relatively soon. The damp red is working. So that's why I'm putting stuff back together. And I do have to make a trip to Centerville, Louisiana, which is about 75 miles from here, to pick up the rest of my gear, which is, I've got one thing. No, I don't think I have anything missing in this rack. It's guitars and a computer. The computer is vital. It's where everything is. So it's safe there. I feel comfortable about it. So there that is.